in TV land. I've always wanted to say that, so I decided I'm going to say it today. Because I know some of you watch me on your TV. Anyways, it's getting really, really crazy over here in this crazy nut house that I live in. But it's okay. I'm happy to have my mom and my daughter home again with us. And we've got the Smokey cat.
Hi, Smokey.
And one of these days we'll get Jordy in here. And Jordy's my big dog. I might just have to take a picture of him and send it to you because he doesn't like to come down here. He and the cat don't really get along. So anyways, remember, today I'm going to give you guys a little heads up. I really don't record this in the morning. I record it the night before. So today is still Wednesday, and it's still Silly Face Day. And so if you have not made your silly face and sent it to me, make sure you do, because I have something really, really cool idea in my head that I want to do with all of your silly face pictures. So that is the scoop. So remember to send in your silly faces. I have gotten a lot. I've even sent some of them to Teacher Sandy and Teacher Charlie, and they're all really happy. But over here in South St. Paul, we're singing and dancing some really goofy songs and having lots of fun. Some old classic country's been playing over here today, but it's been fun. And your mom and dad might know some of the songs, but you probably don't. But I know you know this one. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're over there. A little bit louder. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. A little softer. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. All right, and I hope you're all out there saying, wait, we forgot a song. Here we go, right there. This is our flag, red, white, and blue. Before it we stand so proud and true. Okay, before we sing our days of the week using our sign language, let's go over how we say each of the days. So when we say day, remember you make the letter D and you put it on your elbow and then you slide it down. Days of the week. All right, so you make a day, a D. Now Sunday is you wave your two hands. Monday, you make, starts with an M, so you make the letter M, which we learned yesterday, M. Tuesday is, you make the letter T, so your thumb is next to your pointer. Tuesday. Wednesday, letter W. Thursday, you actually make the letter H. Friday. And Saturday is the letter S. So, here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All All right, thinking caps on. Here we go. Who can tell me what month it is, what month it is, what month it is? Who can tell me what month it is? It starts with letter A. A, sorry. All right, I heard you all say it. April, very good. All right, and over here. Who can tell me what day it is, what day it is, what day it is? Who can tell me what day it is? It comes after Wednesday. That's right, it's Thursday out there. All right, okay, so let's just review the sign for flower. Is that your nose, smelling that flower? And the sign for snail is a little snail crawling up your elbow or your arm. So, we're going to say our pattern, but here we go. Flower, snail, snail, 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 flower. You are right. So, we're going to get our flower up here. And now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And just a reminder, tomorrow we're going to celebrate Saray's birthday. We just had all those birthdays in April here. All right, so that is our calendar. Now it is on to one other thing, the weather. We're not going to sing our weather song today. Instead, do all of you remember that sneaky teacher Heidi from across the hall? Well, she sent me a weather rap, and I don't know if she wrote this or heard it, but it kind of fits with the kind of weird weather that we've been having, and so I'm going to read it to you. When I woke up today, the sky was gray, but before I knew it, the sky was blue. Then wouldn't you know it, it started to snow, and before day was done, out came the sun. So, kind of fits because we've had cold and snowy and the sun all in the same day. Now, I can't wait. I saw somebody sent me a picture of their weather chart, and it's looking really good. So, keep up the good work, and we'll be talking about that later. But now, we are going to get on with our letter, and here we go. Got to pick out the letter. Dun, 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 dun. It is the letter R. So, everybody remember an R is like this, and it makes the R sound like robot, and the color red. The R says the R says all the letters make a sound, the R says and gotta make some R's, don't we? So I'm gonna get out my writing board and get out my marker, and then we're gonna pinch it the front and rest it. And to make your capital R, you make a straight line down, come back to the top, you make a circle, half a circle, and then slant. So here we go, straight line down, back to the top, semicircle, and down. Straight line down, to the top, around, and down. And there's my 4 little uppercase R's. And now your lowercase r's are a straight line down, and you come back and you make a little curve on it. Straight line down, trace back up, and a curve. Straight line down, and up, and a curve. So there's your R's. All right, now, when we first learned the letter R's, think back up to your in school, we have our big whiteboard where I usually teach from, and there's all the alphabet letters, and there's pictures underneath those letters of the songs that we have learned that go with those letters. Now, to help you out, in those learning bags that some of you picked up today, there's a picture of that board with the songs on it. So if you were to look there and see the letter R, you could remember that we learned about the reindeer. And we learned a song about reindeer. And I had to get the words down because, I don't always remember it. And we did the song about the reindeer for our holiday program. Because we learned about reindeer back in December when it really was winter. But we had a lot of fun. So I thought, what the heck, why not bring reindeer back in April, right? Because where they live, like in Norway, when we went to visit Norway, they're still out. They're still around. They're just out, not with snow. So here we go. 5 little reindeer playing in the snow. The first one said, "Can you see my nose glow?" The second one said, "Listen to me sing." The third one said, "I hear the bells ring." The fourth one said, "Let's eat the pie." The fifth one said, "I'm ready to fly." Then clomp went their hooves and the snow fell white, and 5 little reindeer flew out of sight. All right, so now another reindeer song we learned is this, the reindeer pokey. So everybody, we're gonna be reindeer. Are you ready? You put your right antler in, you put your right antler up, you put your right antler in, and you shake it all about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Ho, ho, ho! You put your left antler in, you put your left antler up, you put your left antler in, and you shake it all about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Ho, ho, ho! You put your right hoof in, you put your right hoof up, you put your right hoof in, and you shake it all about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Ho, ho, ho! You put your left hoof in, you put your left hoof out, you put your left hoof in, and you shake it all about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Ho, ho, ho! You put your tail in, you put your tail out, you put your tail in, and you shake it all about. You do the reindeer pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Ho, ho, ho! All right, so that's the reindeer pokey. Pretend it's winter. Oh no, it's not. It's summer. We're hoping summer's coming. So, now, we gotta talk about our shapes. And I'm gonna show you your project. So, I gotta get my shapes out, friends. They're hiding.
Your square fell on the ground.
Okay. So, we're just going to look at these and say our shape poems today. I am a circle. I am a curved line that goes around. I am a circle. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. I am a triangle. I am a rectangle. Can be like this or like that, right? I have 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. I am a rectangle. I am an oval. I'm a stretched out circle. I am an oval. I am a square. I have 4 sides that are all the same. I am a square. And then this one has 2 different names. What are they out there? That's right, a rhombus or a diamond. I am a rhombus. I have 4 sides and equal opposite angles. I am a rhombus. Okay, that's a hard one to learn. It's hard to understand what that all means, but I know we figured it out. Now, who wants to know what we're going to do for art? I have a big rectangle, and I'm going to make my rectangle smaller. So I'm going to cut it about like here. And there's my rectangle. Now, and I know you might not have the right color paper, so you can do whatever colors you might have. You can even do it on white, because you can color it too. But I just happen to have brown. And in your bags for next week, you're going to have all of the right supplies to do your project. So if you haven't picked up your bag today, or yesterday, I mean, then you should get on over and see Teacher Cher today, Thursday, because she will be at school again to give you your bags. All right, now I'm going to take my hand, and this is where you can have someone help you, or you can do it yourself. I'm going to put it on the paper, and I'm going to trace it. So I have one of my hands. And now you should trace both of them and cut them, but I'm going to save time, cut them both at the same time. So I put a piece of paper underneath there. And remember, your thumb is on the top and your fingers are on the bottom. We cut out a lot of hands when the month of November when we were talking about turkeys, right? Because you could make turkeys out of your handprints. Well, what do you think we might make out of this rectangle we made and handprints? Any ideas out there? While I'm cutting, can you think? Yeah, I don't know. I'll give you another clue. What about that red nose that I had on this earlier in our video? That might help you think. All right, so I have two hands, and remember when we do our reindeer pokey, you put your hands on top of your head, and they are your what? Antlers. So take your little rectangle, and you're going to put some glue up on the top corners. And stick on some antlers. And then you can use black, or you can make Rudolph and put on a red nose. And then you need to put some eyes on this reindeer, right? And there you have it, folks. You are going to make a reindeer in the month of April for your art project. So don't ever say that this teacher, Stephanie, doesn't think weird and outside of the box, because we do things different with me. And we're doing everything different right now because you're doing your work at home and sending me pictures. You're watching me on a phone or a computer, and you aren't even at school. But we still are trying our best to do school and learn. And I hope you're enjoying relearning all of your letters, because it's a really good review for you. And even if we were at school, I was going to have us redo our letters, but it's worked out really nice to be able to do them at home, because then you can go around your house and look for things that start with the letter R and practice writing your R's and things like that. Now, I don't have any other R songs for us to sing, so I'm going to say goodbye and hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember, silly faces, your favorite ice cream, because we got a lot of things to do on Friday for the letter I. And thank you for watching and doing your work. Help your moms and dads out. Be good kids for them. Clean your rooms, pick up your stuff. They would really appreciate that. So just like you were at school, you always have to pick up your own stuff. So you can maybe try to do that a little bit at home. Eat a radish today for the letter R. I don't know. Anyways, toodaloo.